Oh boy, guys. Welcome. Rabid here, and it is happening. Weapons of mass destruction, aka ASICs, are coming online for ALEPHIUM, making GPUs not profitable, literally. So the network hash rate has doubled in less than 24 hours. Yesterday we were around 400 terahash or so. Before Goldshell even announced anything, I believe the network was sitting around 180 to 200 terahash worth of GPUs. Goldshell began testing. We were up to around 400. And then from yesterday at 400 to today, we are sitting at 572 on the pools, but we have a big, massive unknown hash rate. Now, as we know, Goldshell has been using DX pool and another pool for their testing. They have been starting to tweak out for hero miners, so it makes sense we're seeing a spike on hero miners. Maybe it's working. They're also working with Viper to get their boxes working on Viper pool as well. So hopefully there's more options available once these do start shipping to customers. But currently, last I heard, DX pool and one other pool was the only ones they're really working on. But again, more support is coming here. But here we have 850 terahash. Actually, this morning we're upwards of 907 terahash, so over double from 400 terahash, and we're going to hit 1 petahash here in no time at all. So I went into hashrate.no. I'm only at 11 cent per kilowatt hour power, which is pretty cheap compared to a lot of people out there for mining from home in the world here, and our profit is negative 3 cents. You're only making 22 cents per 3070 if you had free power, and after power you're at negative 3, which means if you are in the negative on profits, you will get more ALEPHIUM buying the coin for your power costs. So yeah, it's crazy here. We are now seeing a 3070 is not profitable, in the negatives again on ALEPHIUM. Now I'm just going to jump up here to an RTX 4090, and it looks like the market in general, a 4090 now, top coin is Nexa, and it's only at 91 cents when it used to be around $4 or $5 on an RTX 4090 just a couple weeks ago. So that's insane. So I'm just going to look for ALEPHIUM here and see what we can pop up here at RTX 4090, 11 cent per kilowatt hour. So you're still profitable, but you're only making 14 cents on over a $2,000 Canadian GPU at MSRP. So this is not making very much anymore. ASICs are in and GPUs are out the door. Now that leads us to the next question. Goldshell has been publicly open, and we've known that they are using DX pool and another pool for their actual testing. That's these spikes right here. They've been working on hero miners. That could very well be this spike here. But the big thing here is that's a big jump of unknown. Is this Bitmain, maybe IB Link, as we know, Antpool? They could be in the background here, just not listed on mining pool stats yet, pumping out to their node, increasing this hash rate by quite a bit. So we do expect a big Bitmain miner to come very shortly. We just don't know for sure if this could be them or not. I think it might be, because that was a big hash rate jump in no time at all. So going through Bitmain's Twitter account, I am not seeing any announcement about ALEPHIUM at all from them. But keep in mind, guys, look at coming in next month is Bitmain's new L9 script miner. So be prepared for that. Dogecoin and Litecoin hash is about to skyrocket as well. Now, someone in Discord did post a worker in Hero Miner. So let's just take a quick look at this guy right here. Now it says 4x100, 4x101. So I don't know if it means like 4 massive FPGAs or something, rig 101, who knows? Someone let me know down in the comment section about all these numbers, but we can see each worker is over 1 terahash, 1.15, 1.27, 1.68, 1.25, 1.24. So it could just be a massive, there's 246 of these massive FPGA farm, or it could be new ASIC models are starting to be tested at the Hero Miners pool. Look how much this thing is making per day. 0.75 BTC per day, 50,000 USD, or 18,600 ALEPHIUM daily in a week. You can see 5.3 Bitcoin a week, or 22.74 Bitcoin per month. This guy is making mad money. All right, guys, just a quick video here, but it is looking like the time for GPUs on ALEPHIUM is over. Time to move your rigs off. You're not making anything anymore. ASICs are now taking over. Now we just got to see, is the price going to explode when Bitmain finally announces this? Are they going to pump the price for everyone? Could we see $5 to $10 ALEPHIUM in the next couple months? It's possible, but we have no idea. Thank you for checking out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.